Hi friends, welcome back to the Alphabet Adventure. Today we're learning about the letter F.
This is the letter F. F makes the sound like in fish. Can you say it with me? Fantastic. Here's a fish swimming in the water. Fish live in oceans, rivers, and ponds. Can you swim like a fish? Now, look at this frog. Frogs love to hop and say ribbit, ribbit. Can you hop like a frog? And here's a flower. Flowers are so colorful and smell so nice. What's your favorite flower? Which of these starts with F? Is it the frog? Or the elephant? That's right. Frog starts with F.
Frog. Fish. Flower. Let's pick up a book and read it now. Freddy the Frog finds flowers. Freddy the Frog hops in the grass. He sees some pretty flowers. Freddy smells the flowers. Wow, they smell so sweet. He picks a flower for his friend. F is for flowers. F is for frog. Today we learned all about the letter F. Frog. Fish. Flower. Next time we'll explore the letter G. Can you guess a word that starts with G? See you soon, friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more alphabet adventures.